DNA and Cells, Infinity in the Microscopic discuss DNA sequences, their total length, and how they replicate. Welcome back, curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the universe hidden in our bodies, DNA, cells, and the mysteries they hold. You may know that DNA forms the blueprint of life, but did you know that these microscopic sequences stretch infinitely, holding the answers to life, evolution, and possibly immortality? Join us as we uncover the astonishing world within our cells, counting down the top 10 mind-boggling facts about DNA sequences, their extraordinary length, and their flawless replication process. Hold tight, as each fact takes us deeper into the astounding universe within us, a universe as intricate as it is awe-inspiring. This is a journey where science meets suspense, and every line we uncover will leave you even more fascinated. Number 10. DNA's mind-blowing total length. First up is a fact that sounds almost impossible. If you unraveled all the DNA in a single human body, the combined length would be about 67 billion miles. That's enough to reach Pluto and back, a scale that's hard to fathom when we're talking about something found in almost every cell of our bodies. Imagine, within each microscopic cell lies a coil of DNA that's over 6 feet long, if stretched out. Each tiny sequence holds thousands of genes, forming a map that's uniquely ours, detailing everything from our eye color to how we age. Think about it, within each of us lies a roadmap that could outstretch the solar system, yet we only experience it as strands of code. It's like a cosmic map tucked inside our bodies, where infinity resides at the microscopic level. When we say DNA is life's blueprint, we're looking at instructions detailed and complex enough to shape each individual, yet vast enough to challenge our imaginations. Number 9. The helical mystery, why DNA is twisted. Why does DNA twist itself into a double helix? This shape is not just for looks, there's a scientific reason for it, and it's all about stability and protection. A straight strand of DNA would be prone to damage, but the helix minimizes contact with harmful chemicals, making it more durable. Think of it as nature's way of building a protective fortress around our genes, twisting them into a shape that's both compact and incredibly strong. This spiraled structure is a testament to evolution's ingenuity, compacting an almost infinite amount of information into an incredibly small space. It's as if DNA itself holds secrets in its twists and turns, revealing just enough to function, but never too much to unravel its mysteries. Each turn of the helix represents billions of years of evolutionary finesse, a microscopic fortress, where the secrets of survival are safely encoded in a twist as elegant as it is essential. Number 8. Base pairs, DNA's alphabet of life. Next, we dive into the letters of the DNA language. DNA is composed of 4 bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine A, T, C, G that pair up in specific ways. These base pairs form sequences, and those sequences form the instructions for life. Picture a code so complex that it uses only 4 letters, yet spells out everything about us. With just these 4 bases, DNA sequences create an almost infinite array of combinations, each one a unique genetic fingerprint. It's a code that appears simple, yet it's complex enough to craft every living being. Number 7. Human genome, the ultimate puzzle. The human genome, our complete set of DNA, is nothing short of a masterpiece containing over 3 billion base pairs. Imagine trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle with 3 billion pieces, and here's the twist. Each cell in your body holds a copy of this same exact genome, a genetic library that is both consistent and unique. Yet the human genome only accounts for about 1.5% of our DNA. The rest is still largely a mystery, often referred to as junk DNA. What secrets does this so-called junk DNA hide? Could it be the key to evolution's biggest mysteries, holding fragments of our ancient origins and the pathways to future human advancements? Each piece, although small, could tell a story that stretches back millions of years, from ancient ancestors to the potential of life beyond Earth. Number 6. Replication, a flawless copying mechanism. DNA replication is a process that seems almost magical every time a cell divides. It needs to duplicate its entire DNA perfectly. Think about that, a code of billions of base pairs copied without error. This process occurs in such an intricate yet flawless manner that scientists are in awe of it. The replication process is orchestrated by enzymes that work like highly specialized machines, unraveling the DNA and creating a mirror image of each strand. Any errors could result in mutations, but the body has built-in proofreading mechanisms to keep things nearly perfect, a microscopic marvel that keeps life going. Imagine if we could replicate anything in our world with such precision, it would be the ultimate revolution. The tiny processes within our cells might just be holding the future of technological perfection. Number 5. Mutation, when the code changes. While DNA replication is precise, it's not immune to errors, and when mistakes happen, they're known as mutations. These mutations can be small, like a single base change, or larger, like the duplication or deletion of whole segments. Mutations are nature's double-edged sword. They can lead to diseases, but they also drive evolution. Imagine a world where each error in DNA could mean a step forward or backward for our species. It's a delicate dance of change, where each mutation holds the potential to alter life as we know it, sometimes for the better. Number 4. Mitochondrial DNA, the mother's legacy. While most of our DNA is found in the nucleus of cells, some are located in mitochondria, small structures that power our cells. Mitochondrial DNA, MAT DNA, is inherited exclusively from mothers, providing a unique insight into maternal lineage. This DNA remains almost unchanged as it passes from mother to child. Number 3. Telomeres, the countdown to aging. Telomeres are protective caps on the ends of DNA strands that prevent damage during replication. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres shorten, inching us closer to aging and eventual cell death. Some scientists believe that understanding telomeres could be the key to unlocking longer lifespans, maybe even halting aging altogether. Imagine a world where we could prevent our telomeres from shrinking. Could this be the secret to immortality? Each shortening telomere is like sand slipping through an hourglass, a countdown that could either accelerate or halt if we decode its secrets. Could the future hold the promise of reversing aging by mastering telomeres? Number 2. Gene expression turning on and off. Not every part of your DNA is active all the time. Certain genes switch on or off depending on factors like age, environment, or lifestyle. This control mechanism, known as gene expression, is like a switchboard that orchestrates how our bodies function. Imagine your DNA as a control room, with genes lighting up when needed and dimming when not, directing everything from healing to growth. This on and off mechanism gives DNA flexibility, allowing it to adapt and respond to the ever-changing environment, a microscopic decision maker, silently guiding us through life. Gene expression allows us to adapt and thrive, customizing our cellular responses in real time, a secret orchestra playing a symphony to keep life in perfect harmony. Number 1. CRISPR, editing DNA and the future of genetics. Finally, we reach the cutting edge of DNA technology, CRISPR. This revolutionary technique allows scientists to edit DNA with precision, cutting out or modifying specific sequences. CRISPR could lead to cures for genetic diseases, end hereditary illnesses, or even engineer new traits into our genome. Imagine a future where we can edit out illness and edit in resilience or intelligence. But with this power comes ethical questions. CRISPR is not just about science, it's about the future of humanity. Are we on the verge of creating a world free from genetic disorders, or one where humanity itself is shaped by design? This technology, with its potential for limitless impact, forces us to consider the boundaries of nature and ethics. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the microscopic world of DNA and cells. If you found this content engaging and enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest explorations.